Hey guys, just want to do a quick EDC update. My first EDC, I guess. Besides my EDC mini organizer. My first thing is my Oakley, fuel cells. They are the I forget what it is. It's the Ducati version. I love that. The black and red together. It goes together with everything. My other thing I actually just got today, May the 1st. It's this Polytac, Streamlight Polytac in Coyote Brown. I didn't get the LED version. I kind of messed that up. I got this from the Bass Pro Shop. 75 lumens, and it's about 80 minutes of battery life. It's kind of shitty. I may email Streamlight about that. The next thing is my BlackBerry Bold 9900. There it is in the case. That's on me every day. I run a company, so you know. My next is my Kershaw Clash. I love this knife. It's 8CR13 MOB. Right there. Great knife. It's about $50. Another thing, my Bluetooth, some change, toonies from Canada as I'm in Ontario. Really, that's about it. Any pens or anything like that I carry in my day planner / notebook. And yeah, if you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. Rate, like, and subscribe, as well as let me know where you guys get your EDC stuff. There's some good websites that I'd like to know about, and yeah. Anyways, guys, I will talk to you later.